Before we even set up the Google Pixel 6 Pro, I have to, absolutely have to add some protection. What's up, gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we're gonna add some protection to that beautiful 120 Hz Quad HD display from the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now what we got here is a Tori flexible TPU screen protector with a 2-pack camera lens protector for the Pixel 6 Pro. Of course, picked this up on Amazon, $18.99. I know that's a little on the pricey side, but it's kind of hard to find anything right now out for this beautiful screen. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what we get for that $18.99, which is pretty expensive. We do get some stickers, look like some Doge dogs, or I don't know what kind of dogs. Let me know down in the comment section below what kind of dogs are those. Tori. You get all the accessories needed to do the installation. You get 2 tempered glass screen protectors for your camera module, and these are black, so it's actually a good thing because the camera lens in the back, so the flash won't affect anything. We get a dear disclaimer card, screen protector installation, and we have a placemat so you can actually place the phone down on the surface. Look at, voila, look at that, how nice of them. Look at that, and it doesn't move. That is awesome. Attention to detail, people. Attention to detail. And we do have this installation brick here. This is going to help. Let's see if we can get that to focus with installing the flexible, that's what they call it, TPU screen protector. Now we don't, there you have it right there. So this is like a 2-piece kind of deal thing. We kind of just insert this here at the power port, kind of align this here like somewhat like that. So what you're gonna do is first you're gonna pull back, remove this portion, kind of make sure it's adhered right here, pull this back, fold it at the line, remove the other one, and then release this one and do this, and voila, all kinds of beautiful stuff is going to happen right now. But before we do all that, let's go ahead and remove all this here. We have to clean the display and make sure we clean it really good, and you get any dust from the surface, because I don't want to get anything stuck in between the screen protector and the display. So let's go ahead and put that there aside. Now if you have any questions in regarding the installation, make sure you read the installation guide here. Very simple to follow, nothing to it. It comes with the device, and I do have a little squeegee here. They do provide their own squeegee there. I'm probably going to use this plastic looking one here, not too bad. Let's go ahead and get this party started. All right, so we got it done, and it actually it's not that bad. It actually feels nice to the touch. You know, it's not a tempered glass screen protector. It is soft TPU, but like I said, it's kind of hard. It actually feels good. It's kind of hard to find a tempered glass screen protector right now for this device. So we got to go what it's available, and this is what's available. I do have some small little air pockets here, but you can rub them out with this squeegee right there that they provide. I'm using my own little type of squeegee, and they're pretty much easy to rub out. Just massage it and the little air pockets move out. And I hope this does a pretty good job. You know what I'm saying? I really do hope there's other screen protectors out there that come out. And, you know, Whitestone Dome, you're probably the best at curved display screen protectors. And I really hope you take a consideration and look at that there is nothing available, and take up on this opportunity and make some available for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So with that being said, the installation wasn't too hard. I didn't really read the directions, and I was able to perform and do it. If you read the directions, I'm more than sure that you're going to be able to do this yourself. $18.99. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick one up for yourself. Now we do have, also I forgot to put on the back camera lens. I believe comes with a glass protector there, but we do have this black one, and this black one you can kind of put it over like this. Now let's go ahead and put this one on before we exit the video. I almost forgot to do that. Let's go ahead and clean this up real good. Now it does come pre-installed with one, I believe. Maybe it doesn't. So that is just the camera module right there. So it looks like there is one installed, but it's not. So this whole camera bump is not all glass. The edges are metal, because you can tell where it ends. So basically just take your tempered glass screen protector, grab your wipe, let's give it a good wiping just like you would anything else, and just get it in there. Make sure it's cleaned and good to go. Wipe your hands, get it nice and cleaned. Nice and clean. Now I did bump my head on the camera earlier while trying to install this, but it happens. You know it does. Now this is nice and clean. Grab a sticker. Grab the tempered glass screen protector. Now, it's very important to get that tempered glass screen protector protection for your camera lens. I'm a big advocate on that. I did break the camera lens on my Pixel 5. Was very disappointed when it did happen. Did it affect the camera? It did not. But I hate to see that happen to your device, just like I'll hate to see it happen to this beautiful device that I have here in front of me. And it looks good. You see that? It does not take away. You can still see that the camera module on the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and it's looking good. Again, $18.99 with Prime shipping. Link will be in the description below. It says in stock soon. Right now it's very hard to get anything for the new Pixel 6 Pro. It is a very popular device, and it is going to continue to be a very popular device, so make sure you pick up anything you can right now. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. The link to this item will be in the description below. If you want to go ahead and pick one up for yourself, you most definitely can, and it would help the channel if you do. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.